This one I call the universe's flow. Yo, let me start this rhyme by blowing open your mind. If you open real wide, no telling what you might find. Let me help you to grasp that our universe is vast. I'll use a metaphor, and you'll have to think fast. Let's turn each star into a grain of fine sand. All we see on a dark, clear night fits in your closed hand. A wheelbarrow will hold the stars from our galaxy. To hold all the stars, how big will the pile of sand be? We could fill one train boxcar per second for 3 years. To imagine something that vast, your mind must shift gears. Train cars would wrap around the planet 25 times. Yo, that's enough about that. Let's get on with more rhymes. With the Big Bang it started. Before that, we don't know. Way hot and dense, 13.8 billion years ago. Since, our universe has been expanding and cooling. Doppler redshift shows us this, and I am not fooling. Cosmic background radiation gives more evidence. To try to say much more than this doesn't make much sense. We must be very careful not to overstate a claim. That's called unscientific, if I give it a name. What can we say about this gravity glue? We know this warping of space-time affects me and you. This force's strength depends on the two masses involved. If we know the distance between them, force problem solved. It forms stars and planets from nebulas of gas and dust. If you can lift 200 pounds on Earth with ease, on our less massive moon, half a ton would be a breeze. The force of gravity pulls mass into our star's core. Fusion releases energy. You want to hear more? It converts mass to energy which powers our sun. Without E equals mc squared, we would have no fun. We'd have no energy or elements to play with. If you think you don't need fusion, then dispel that myth. Stars can fuse atoms to make heavier elements. Those larger than iron require supernova events. Supernovas may also create wild neutron stars, so dense a marble-sized piece outweighs 1,000,000 cars. A big supernova creates a crazy black hole. Gravity swallows all its light, so it's as black as coal. It's a gravity well from which even light cannot escape. It has the mass from 10 suns, yet is smaller than a grape. The theory of relativity can blow open your mind. If you travel fast enough, you'll leave your twin behind. Not just in mere distance, but also in terms of age. You return a young man and find your twin's an old sage. Your spaceship's length would shrink as it neared the speed of light. Its mass would grow and years on Earth would pass in just one night. I'm through. I spit some mean rhymes to help you understand. If you're not sipping haterade, then give me a hand.